Hi, I'm Ginger with gingersparrots.org. I run a rescue for Senegal Parrots Rehabilitation in Phoenix, Arizona. I do this for Senegal Parrots, and my African Gray is behind me as well, but he is just part of the fixture. Anyway, the Senegal Parrots that I have are up for adoption. Most of them have been rehabilitated from other homes where they've had a bad background, or they have had a great background and just need another home. So the rehabilitation part comes in with training and with patience. If you're interested in any of these parrots for rescue, for adoption, just give me a call. The phone number is on the website. That's gingersparrots.org. It's a nonprofit organization in Phoenix, Arizona. And I can show you a little bit of what work I do with these Senegals as far as the rehabilitation. Pretty boy. You ready? Okay. That's a good bird. Ready? Turn around. Oops, I'm sorry, Lily. Turn around. Good bird. Good boy. Good boy. Turn around. Good. Good bird. Wait. Good. Good. Going back and forth. Good boy. One more time. Okay. Good bird. Do what? Ozzy. Good bird. What a good boy. Ozzy. Good bird. You get weight? Time to get weight. Let's go. Wow, that's really good. Wow, look at that. Turn around. Turn around. Wave. Good bird. Good. Come on. Good bird. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Good boy. Good boy. A little bit too much too soon. She's not a brat. You're a brat. No, you're a brat.